its staff building is this one just. The first one is nowadays courthouse, and this is the Army Academy staff building. And we have also got new dragoons here. When that Finnish Dragoon Regiment ended in 1901, it was the Russian very bad time for Finns with Russian, and then that period ended, and the Russians founded here a Russian army, and it lasted till 1917, and after that in 1921 some brigade, Finnish cavalry brigade came here, and after that we have had always more or less soldiers, and now they have started come again. We have got 3 times young men coming here for their term. Jos me tästä minä päin kuunnottaa. Ei, vaan mennään tästä ja sitten tullaan pois. Sitten saa, niin. Ainakin tai no niin. Sitten kyllä voi mennä. Ainakin tämä sanotaan Rokka, että, joka on johtanut tästä näin, voi ajaa sinne ja kääntyä sitten. And here you can see some horse stables for horses on the right. And after that there is a parade or training field, and in the middle of it there is a monument that is erected for memory of those who fell or died under the dragoon flags. Anyway, and this used to originally be dining hall for 6 squadrons, but now it is canteen for soldiers here on this area. Yes. And on the right we have that courthouse now. They have renovated all these buildings. They are in good condition now. And when Finland has become independent, we had also artillery school here. So this is the only barracks or garrison area called nowadays Dragoon Hill, which is still functioning after 1880s. Ja sitten nyt tätä ajetaan ihan sinne, että päästään mahtuun tämän mä käyn siitä